Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and why it matters. Reproducible builds cut debugging time. Create a Python 3, 10 virtualenv, activate it, then install OpenCV and a face library. These give you detection and embeddings. Next, scaffold a small Flask or Fast API app so you can iterate on endpoints. Once done, verify camera access on your machine and test a single frame capture. This proves your pipeline early and prevents wasted effort on later integration problems. You now build the middle, the data pipeline and model. First, collect diverse, labeled images, aim for 50 to 200 per subject so the model generalizes. Then choose a pre-trained embedding model or fine-tune one. Embeddings are typically 128 or 512 dimensions and enable fast matching. Once you have embeddings, store them in a simple vector store or SQL with indexes and implement detection, alignment, then embedding for live frames. Make sure to batch process the gallery to avoid per-request training overhead. You finish by deploying and hardening the app. Package the model and expose a secured inference API, applying rate limits and authentication so the service is resilient. Use a GPU for sub-100 ms latency if your use case needs it, and tune matching thresholds to balance false accepts versus false rejects. Once deployed, run end-to-end tests, enable logging for low-confidence cases, and implement basic privacy controls so users can remove data. Troubleshooting tip: if accuracy drops, retrain with fresh, balanced samples and recheck alignment steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.